Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the amazing features of Ideogram, a revolutionary AI tool for generating images from text. I'll guide you through its latest updates and showcase examples of the stunning visuals it can produce. With the recent launch of Ideogram 1.0, the tool has raised the bar as the most advanced text-to-image model available. Ideogram 1.0 is known for text rendering capabilities, unmatched photorealism, adherence to prompts, and a new feature, Magic Prompt, which enhances the creation of detailed and imaginative images. So let's dive in. Let's start with the Magic Prompt feature. For example, I'll start with something simple without using the Magic Prompt. I type in a dog and keep the default settings. The results are decent images of dogs, but there is definitely room for improvement. Now, let's turn on the Magic Prompt feature. Watch this. I click Generate. The images are significantly improved. They are so much more refined and lifelike, showcasing the power of Ideogram's advanced AI. Another updated feature is text rendering, creating images with text. Imagine you need to create a business card with your name on it. Let's try it out. I'm typing in Zawan Bulushi and hitting Generate. First try and the results are impressive. The text is seamlessly integrated into the image, creating a professional look business card in no time. Now, thinking about branding, let's put Ideogram to the test. I'm going to request create a logo for AI Adventures. Check this out. Ideogram has captured the essence and aesthetic of our channel's logo with incredible accuracy. It's like having a professional designer at your fingertips. Seriously. Ideogram isn't just about creating from scratch. It also has a remix feature that is incredibly easy to use. For example, I select an image, hit Remix and tweak it to add my name. The result? Spot on. And for a personal touch, you can even customize images for any event, such as birthdays. Now, for a real test of Ideogram's power, let's experiment with a text-heavy prompt. I'll select an image with a text from their library and modify it to "What you seek is seeking you," one of my all-time favorite quotes. And there you have it, a stunning visual representation that perfectly captures the essence of the quote. One area where Ideogram really stands out is its ability to generate images of famous people, something many advanced tools struggle with. For instance, entering Elon Musk generates impressively accurate visuals. When I tried a similar prompt in DALL-E 3, it offered a thematic representation rather than a direct likeness, highlighting Ideogram's superior precision and capability. To be honest, as an AI tool, Ideogram does not always deliver perfect results. For example, when I tried to generate images of Oprah Winfrey, they were close but not as accurate. DALL-E, similar to Elon Musk prompt, proposed to focus on her influential attributes in media and philanthropy rather than her physical likeness. So the images didn't really look like Oprah at all. In this regard, Ideogram outperforms other platforms in generating images of famous people. One of my favorite features? All your creations are saved in one place. Just click on Profile, and there they are, complete with original prompts. You can even categorize your favorites or pin some for easy access later. It's super convenient for revisiting your earlier works. And the best part? Ideogram offers all this for free. With 100 images per day, it's insane how good it is for a free tool. And if you need more images or more advanced features such as image editing or uploading your own images, you can always subscribe to one of its paid plans, which are actually cheaper than other more complicated AI image generators. So there you have it. Ideogram 1.0 is truly a masterpiece of AI technology, transforming the way we create images from text. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep creating.